Any doubts, anyone till here? Shall we proceed, everyone?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, shall I go with the art sketching now?
Yes, sir.
So after understanding the event sketching, so let's go with your art sketching concept now. Yeah, just check out the board. Is it visible? Board is visible here. Shall I proceed?
No, sir.
Everyone. So any doubts with plotting of your event? So I hope everyone got right. So its amplitude is 0. Here it is 1. So 0 plus 1, return the signal as it is. Same way it is 1 plus 0, return the signal. So since it is required for half of, I have given amplitude as half of. Okay now. So shall I proceed with for odd now?
Sir, board is not visible, sir.
Pardon?
Board is not visible, sir.
Just one second. Now is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
got this even part right. So let's go with odd. As I told, try to write a comparative between left and right and even odd. It will be easier for you. Okay. So in exam also, if you didn't get space horizontally, you can make vertically. Write both together. Okay. So let me go with odd now. So for odd, input remains same. Yes or no? So x of t, however it is there. So let's retain the things 0, 1, and 2. Okay, Napa? Fine. So again, same concept. So for odd formula, what is the formula we know? Odd function half of x of t minus x of minus x of minus t. So can you tell me how to plot minus x of minus t? So this is your x of minus t, right? So how it looks now? Minus x of minus t?
Mirror image of x of minus
Folding.
t.
So I told minus represent the amplitude, right? So if it is inside the bracket with respect to time interval, you should play with x-axis. If it is outside that, it should play with y-axis. Now it says minus of, look at here, minus of x of minus t, right? So you already know how to draw x of minus t. So straight away, let me show you how to write x of minus t. So for this, I should do folding. Folding towards negative amplitude because it says minus 1, right? So the waveform look like this. So how it was starting, it will go in this way. So minus 2, minus 1, 0. So amplitude become minus 1. Am I clear with this to everyone? Any doubts, anyone how to plot this? Is it fine, guys? Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Understood it.
So now, what's the logic we want here? I need to add this two. Say I'm not taking any subtraction part here. So you understand? I can do the things in two ways. Listen here. If you write x of t, if you write x of minus t, this and this, if you subtract, you will get same answer. Or I have made this minus itself as one waveform. So now we should not do subtraction. You need to add this two. Agree? Because you will feel subtraction is better trickier than addition. So I feel that for you people addition is simplest. So for that purpose I made you this itself as here itself minus of this. Then don't do subtraction of this two, you need to add. Is it fine? Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
I will teach you later how to do a subtraction also. Yeah, is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now I want to add this two signal to get my odd component. Okay. So look at the things, same procedure. There is no signal here, but there is signal here. But now look at the amplitude. So it is like 0, minus 1. Cut up. Is it 0, minus 1? So it should be what?
-1.
-1,
Minus
which means signal should be towards negative offset only.
Yes.
Yes or no,
Yes,
yeah?
sir.
Okay. So now let me tell you with respect to intervals. See, from -infinity to -2, this side nothing is there. Nothing is there. I am least bothered. I should worry about -2 to -1. See, -2 to -1, nothing is there. 0. Here, -2 to -1, signal is there downside. So write -2 to -1, signal is there downside with amplitude of -1. Here it is 0. Here it is -1, means it's 0 minus 1 become -1. So I should write -1 here. -2 to -1. Any doubts? Next, -1 to 0, there is no signal and amplitude is also 0. -1 to 0, signal is there, it is rising with amplitude -1. Sarinappa? So this is how it looks. Any doubts, anyone till here? Am I clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So now look at this. This is nothing. This is the same only. How we did in the previous one? So this 1 plus 0, directly I can write. No need to bother much. So that's why I told addition is easier than subtraction. Over. What's the next thing I want? I want to do what here?
Reduce that.
Half of. Because
Reduce
the
the
formula
amplitude.
says half of this. This is your x of t plus x of minus t. You take half of this. So if you take half of this, you plot one more graph. So I will write smallly. It look like this. Sainava. So this is minus 0.5 and this is 0.5 minus. So you made the things clear how to deal. Instead of subtracting, directly you twist or signal itself, then you can just add things. It will be easier for you. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now shall we proceed next?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts, anyone with respect to odd and even? Let me know. If you want me to repeat, let me repeat. Otherwise, I will go with the next one. Is it fine? Anybody doubts? Those who are there in the class? Bhumika, any doubts here?
No, sir.
Darshan P,
No, sir.
Deepak,
No, sir.
Ghana.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Shall I proceed then? Good. See now what I told, whenever you get odd and even question in the exam, you can do the answer verification yourself, whether what I done for 8 marks is right or wrong. How I told, you just need to add the even signal and odd signal together. If you add together, you should get back the original signal. If you're able to get that original signal, that shows what you have done is perfectly right. So you can verify yourself and you can evaluate your question for this type of odd even problem for 8 marks. Am I clear? Everyone, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now let me show you the odd and even function. If we add, how will you get the original signal? So let's compare here. So let me take this for your verification. Okay. So let me take even function. So even function was like this. So this was amplitude 0.5, -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2 with respect to time t. Similarly, let me take odd function xo of t. So diagram was like this. Cut up. So -2, -1, 0. Here it is -0.5. Here it is +0.5. So now the logic is, if we add these two, I should get back my original signal. Just look at this now. So left hand side I should do addition, right? So look at here. This signal is there. This signal is there. Both signal are having an opposite amplitude. +0.5 -0.5. Cancel agata.
Yes, sir.
Cancel agatendro.
Yes, sir.
You're adding, right? It's like 0.5 plus half minus 0.5. Is it like this? 0.5 plus minus 0.5. ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Cancel ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
So if amplitude is going to get cancelled, same way this signal get cancelled. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Agree. So that's why towards your LHS, I mean towards your negative half cycle, there is no existing of signal itself. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತೇನ್ರೋ? Shall I proceed? Any doubts? Okay, na go, go.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now look at here. I am coming towards right hand side now. So 0 to 1 interval, signal is there. So so 0 to 1 interval, signal is there. What is the amplitude? 0.5. Here also 0.5. So 0.5 to 0.5 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? 0, 1, 2. So 0 to 1 I am talking. 0 to 1. Signal is rising. So this two, it is like this. This plus this. So both are having 0.5. Will it go till 1? See, always remember, whenever signals are in same direction, you can add. When they are in opposite direction, you can subtract. Is it clear? Same direction will get add. If it is opposite, amplitude get cancelled. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now, is it fine what I told? 0 to 1, 0 to 1. You have to forget this. This is two I'm adding. 0 to 1, 0.5, 0 to 1, 0.5. So 0.5 plus 0.5 becomes 1. Similarly, 1 to 2. 1 to 2, signal is dipping. With amplitude of what? 0.5 and 0.5. So you can dip the signal with amplitude of 1. So is it what the original signal? Is it matched with your original signal after adding your odd and even?
Yes, sir.
So this is the way you need to analyze yourself. What things you have done for odd even, is it right or wrong? So I hope the things are clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So shall I move on to the next problem then? Shall I? Everyone, shall I?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So go with the next problem then. So I want the explanation now from your side, so that will tell you whether understood or not. Read on. Next question. Obtain and sketch the even and odd parts. Obtain and sketch the even and odd parts for the signal shown below. Obtain the even and odd parts. So obtain and sketch the even and odd parts for the signal shown below. So in this problem, they themselves has given a signal for you. So you needed to worry your things what did in last problem like sketching and all. So they themselves given a sketch. So from the sketch, you can proceed and you can get me the answer. Okay. What is the question? X of t. So this is given x of t for it. So with amplitude 1, this is amplitude 1. So this is 0, -1, -2, -3, and here it is 1, 2, 3, so on. So this amplitude they have mentioned clearly, it is 1. Here it is -1. Is it visible here? Everyone, is it visible what I wrote, the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So can you solve for this now? So let me see how much you understood. So x of t, straight away I have given x of t for you. So for this, I want you to sketch odd and even. So let me give you some time. So let's try out. So if you're able to solve this, then you have 8 marks in your pocket. Solving. I want everyone to solve this problem. So x of t is given. I told you, right? You need to plot odd and even separately. So make 2 columns. So write 1 column even, then you write odd. It will be easy for you to compare the things and go. So don't do subtraction, try to do addition only. You try out once. If you have doubt, let me help you out. So I want you to understand and do. So x of t is already given. So for this, what you should plot? X of
minus t.
Good. So plot x of minus t. I hope everyone plotted x of minus t at least. Have you done the replica of this? Yes or no here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So x of minus t, how it looks, guys? So whatever things was there, it goes this side, this goes this side. Right, Appa? So the signal look like this now. So this is a mirror image. X of minus t. So this amplitude become -1, -2, -3, and this is 0, and this is 1 and 2. Sorry and draw. So this is how it looks. Am I correct what I wrote?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I want answers from you.
Yes, sir.
How the signal takes place. Let me plot normally, then you can do half of it later. So now I want addition of these two. So x of t plus x of minus t is what I want. Now answers from your side. So let me mark all the intervals. So 0, -1, -2, -3, and here it is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yeah. So you have to start with the interval. Look at here. So this is starting at -2, but this is there from -3 to -2. So -3 to -2, there is an interval. Can't see the palm. Look at the interval here. If you want, let me rearrange this. So this is -2, this is -3. So this part of signal is there from -3 to -2. So you need to add this 2 means what I should do now. So this is having amplitude of 1. Yeah. So -3 to -1, any signal is there in the first part?
No, sir. No signal in the
No.
first part.
So you have only at this part. So what should be the amplitude now? Is it 0 plus 1?
Yes, sir.
So 0 plus 1, -3 to -2 interval, you have this constant signal. So if this is my 1 and this is my 2, so 3 to 1 I'm going to consider a constant term. So -3 to -2. Sari and draw? Artha agtidiyappa?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now this part is over. So next, -2 to -1. Look at here, -2 to -1. Here signal is rising in this way. Here signal is constant. So always remember, whenever you are adding rising edge or falling edge with the constant, the priority should be given for the rising edge. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So now, what is amplitude? Amplitude is there, 0 to -1 to -2, 1, and here also amplitude is 1. So 1 plus 1 becomes what?
2,
2,
sir.
sir.
2.
Two.
So till 2, the signal will be
Rising.
rising.
Rising,
Very
sir.
good. Artha kiya pada kiya?
Yes,
This
sir.
interval is from, look at here. So from -1 to 0, signal is dipping. So -1 to 0, signal is dipping. So both are having in the same direction. So amplitude ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? It goes from 2 to
0, sir.
0. Very good. So from here to here, it goes. Any doubts, anyone with the things what I did in this part? If you have doubt, let me clear and let me go further. Otherwise, you won't understand the things. So I hope everyone got this till here. Try to add interval by interval. It will be helpful for you. Shall I proceed?
Excuse
Yeah.
me.
Anybody want me to repeat? Repeat ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗಾದ್ರು?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will
Yes,
repeat it then. I will repeat once more. I am adding these two signal. I am tracing the interval by interval. Okay, look at here. So -3 to -2 constant signal is there. Here no is no signal. So it is like 0 plus this. So 0 plus this means what amplitude? 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1 amplitude. At that 1 amplitude, the signal is going to be constant. Is this much clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Shall I proceed here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now look at here. I have finished -3 to -2. Let me go further. -2 to -1. So -2 to -1 signal is increasing. -2 to -1 signal is constant. Look at here what I told. So one is increasing, one is constant. What I told, whenever you're adding increase with a constant, you have to give a priority for the increase signal I told, right? So for that purpose, I have increased this to 2. Why 2? Because amplitude for this is 1, amplitude for this is 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to how much? Artha aitendro?
Yes, sir.
So that's why I rise for interval -2 to -1. The signal is increasing with the amplitude 2. Artha aita illargo? Okay nappa illargo? Shall I proceed? Next?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now go with the last one with this side, -1 to 0. So look at here, -1 to 0, signal is dipping here. And again, -1 to 0 here also dipping. So both are dipping. So amplitude 1 and 1 only, it means 2 only. So both will remain at 2 only. Since it is dipping, it has to go to where? Where it should go after dipping here?
0.
Everyone,
It's going to 0, sir.
pardon? Not visible.
0, 0, sir.
Yeah, 0. And Artha and wrong, both are going lowards, right? See how I wrote? For example, both are rising, I wrote upward, right? Similarly, both are means I should write downwards. That's it. Simple thing, you understand? Okay, na? Shall I proceed?
Yes, sir.
Till here, is it fine to everyone? So now next part you should tell me if you understood that part. Okay, na? Okay, Abir, you only tell me. So now let me proceed with 0 to 1. So 0
Sir,
to 1.
same,
what is the
rising.
signal?
Rising, so we'll
Rising.
keep it.
Good. Again, here also 0 to 1 rising up. So what is the amplitude for rising? Here it is 1, here it is 1. It means what? Till 2 it is going to be increasing.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
from 0 to 1, I will increase my signal with amplitude of 2. Artha aita?
Yes, sir.
Artha aita Ananya?
Yes, sir.
See, if anybody have doubts how we are doing, just let me know, yeah. Bhargavi?
Yes, sir. I understood.
Any doubts still here, yeah?
No, sir.
Okay, good. So now I have finished 0 to 1. So now you should tell me. So 1 to 2, what is signal now? 1 to 2 ಏನಿದ್ರು?
Constant, sir.
Constant ಇದೆ. Here 1 to 2 ಏನಿದೆಪ್ಪ?
Dipping.
It is dipping,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So it constant means amplitude same only. It means at like this level only. It means 0 plus 1. Constant idre amplitude consider ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So now this amplitude is 1. So where shall I stop my graph for the
1,
interval
sir.
1 to 2?
Till 1.
So shall I trace from here and shall I end like this?
Yes, sir.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತೀನ್ರೋ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Napa. So what is last left out now? 2 to 3 constant is there. 2 to 3 there is no signal. So amplitude remains at same one portion only. So it goes in this way. See, this is how your even component looks. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ರಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ?
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
So any doubts anyone? If you have, you can ask me. See, if you understand the things, it looks simpler. That's why I told trace interval to interval. -1 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 2. Part by part ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Constant increase ಆದರೆ rise ಮಾಡಿ. If one is upward, one is downward, if you add, these two will get cancelled because amplitude is negative, right? If it is constant, if it is rising, you give priority for rising. If it is constant, dipping, give priority for dipping. That's it. Is it fine? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತನ್ರೋ? So don't end with this. What exactly I want? I want half of this. It means I should reduce the amplitude. Sarinappa?
Yes, sir.
Whatever signal I got, this is the addition of these two. But what I want
Reduce the amplitude to 1.
Yeah, is it audible now? Everyone, is it audible, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I want now, I want half of this means what I should do? Whatever signal is there at this amplitude, reduce it. So 2 is in the 1 modi, 1 is the 0.5 modi. So how the circuit, how the waveform look now? So the waveform was starting at 2 and here it is 1, right? So let's trace this at 0.5 and at 1. So this will tell you the thing what we are expecting. So this is my even part. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ? Is it clear? Same signal I already reduced it to half because I should have to get the formula right. Half 2 becomes 1. Even guys, audible? Chant, is it audible, yeah?
Yes, sir. Now it's
Okay, fine. So shall I proceed? So even part, any doubts, anyone? So whatever signal you added, you just need to do half of it to get the even part. So is it fine? Shall I move on to odd function now?
yes, sir.
Shall we? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let's move on to odd function. So signal remains same. So original signal remains same, x of t. So let me write once more. 1 is here, -2, -1, 0. So this is 1, 2, and 3. So this is my x of t. So what is the odd function I want? I want half of x of t minus x of minus t. So you already know how to plot x of minus t, right? So from this, what I want?
Minus
From
x
this,
of
what I
minus
want?
t.
I just need
It's
to
folding, sir.
fold it. I just need to fold my what? Amplitude.
Minus.
So this signal, how it is looking, right? So this will come downwards. Agree here?
Yes, sir.
So just understand and
Yes,
do,
sir.
don't blindly. So I want minus of this. So this is x of minus t, you already know. That's why I told you to write side by side. It will be helpful for you. Okay. So now I need to replicate the negative of this. I am folding the things. So if you fold it, how it looks? Fold it, how it looks? Is it like this? Is it how it looks, guys?
Yes, sir.
Everyone. So this amplitude become -1 and here everything remains same. So this is my -1, this is my -2 and -3 and this is 0, 1, 2. So this is your minus x of minus t. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತೀನ್ರೋ? Is it fine everyone till here? Yes or no?
Sir.
Okay. See, since I already tilted at minus, don't do any subtraction. Straight away can do addition and under. Correct? So now analyze the signal carefully and let me tell you how to do the addition properly. So now look at minus 3 to minus 2. So let me take exactly to this. So this is minus 2. Look at here. So again minus 2 to minus 3. Then the signal here is 0. So how it looks now? 0 minus 1 up. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So the signal will be towards positive or negative now.
Negative.
Good. So minus 1 is here.
Negative,
0
sir.
is here.
It's negative.
So here to here there is no signal, but here to here there is a signal of constant with amplitude minus 1. So it is like 0 minus 1, nothing but minus 1. So from here to here you can retain the position. From minus 3 to minus 1, it is at this position. Understood? Understood or not? Shall I proceed?
Understood, sir.
Shall I?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now we will go again interval. Look at here. Minus 2 to minus 1 increasing with amplitude of 1. Minus 2 to minus 1, it is having a constant value of amplitude minus 1. So what is the meaning now?
We have to take the
Pardon?
increasing value. Increasing value.
Pardon, repeat here.
We have to take the increasing
Consider
value.
the increasing value, sir.
Increasing value.
So minus 2 to minus 1 increasing 1. So increasing is supposed to take, what will happen for my amplitude? Plus 1 minus 1 0 agata. Amplitude of this signal is 1. This signal is minus 1. 1 plus 1 0 agata. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So it means from minus 2 to minus 1, signal will reach the 0 amplitude. Artha ಆಗ್ತಿದೇನ್ರೋ? Anybody want me to repeat?
No, sir.
I'll repeat once more. 0 to minus 1 increasing. 0 to minus 1 it is constant. This amplitude is plus 1. This amplitude is minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 means 0. But signal is rising. So it is going to end at 0. So this is how I can end for this. Shall I proceed? Now go with minus 1 to 0. So again look at here. Minus 1 to 0. What is happening?
Amplitude decreasing, sir.
Amplitude is
Sorry, decreasing, sir.
decreasing. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 0 na 1 na?
Minus
0 to 1 here, minus 1 to 0, amplitude is 1. It is like this. Again here, it is like this. So both will get cancelled, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
0.
So easily plus 1 amplitude, minus 1 amplitude. ಎರಡು signal cancel ಆಯ್ತಾ? I told you at the beginning, right? So both are same, add either way. If one is opposite to other, you can subtract each other. So it means 0 to minus 1, signal retains its position. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Yes or no?
Yes,
Abir?
sir. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
Good. Anybody else? Pranav and Nandish. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತೀನ್ರೋ? Akash? Ananya, any doubt here?
No, sir.
Shall I proceed then?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have finished till here. So let's go towards your positive side. Same concept. Look at here. 0 to 1 increasing with 1 amplitude. 0 to 1 decreasing with minus 1 amplitude. Matte cancel aita.
yes, sir. Amplitude cancel.
So if both get cancelled, it means again 0 to 1, the signal will be at same position. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Good. So let's proceed. 1 to 2. It is constant. 2 to constant, and 1 to 2 is increasing. So what should I take? What's the amplitude? So 1 to 2, 1. Here it is 0. So 0 plus 1 becomes 1 upper.
Yes, sir.
So the signal from 1 to 2, is it like this? With the amplitude 1? Yes or no? Understood? Next, last category, 2 to 3. 2 to 3 constant is here, 2 to 3 nothing is here. It means the amplitude retains at 1 only with a constant 2 to 3. See, this is my original signal of tracing. Understood or not, everyone? Visible here, board is visible what I'm writing?
Yes, sir.
So any doubts, anyone till here? See, the odd function, even function, you can verify yourself. ಯಾರಿಗಾರು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, see, go interval by interval, then amplitude by amplitude, signal by signal, you will understand better way. So that's why I told, try to do addition, it will be easier for you than subtraction. You will get messed up while doing subtraction. That's why I made things simpler. Just tilt this, try to add this to get the answer. Anybody want me to repeat this odd function once more, or is it fine? Okay na?
So 1 to 2 interval ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
Okay pa. See, 1 to 2 here it is constant alana. 1 to 2 constant alappa. What's the amplitude? 1. And here 1 to 2 what is happening? 1 to 2 ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ? It's ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ increase ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಸರಿನಾ? So with amplitude of minus, ಸರಿನಾ? So 0 to 1 becomes 1. Signal is increasing. So that's why I taken increasing part from 1 to 2. Okay. Then from 2 to 3, this is constant. There is no signal itself. So it is going to retain its same position. Artha aita?
Yes, sir.
So now let's try to verify this. So what, don't end here. I want you to do half of this again. So this 1 becomes 0.5 and you can reduce it both sides. So 1 is compress it 1 to 0.5, that will be end of your odd component. Okay, so let's try to add this to now. So for your verification, so let me add odd component and even component. So if anybody has doubts still here, you can ask me. So what was the amplitude here? It was 1 and this was at 0.5. This is x e of t, even function. So minus 3, minus 2, 1. See, interval contact barirappa. So it's 0.5 irutte. It goes to 1, dips back. It dips back here, again increase, dips back here. So this is your even. Okay na? So odd how we got? So minus 3 to minus 1 you got up. So it was constant. Then till here it is constant. Again increase, again constant. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So this is your odd component. Okay. So now add this to get back the original signal. Yeah, I want you to tell the answers now. Add more draw. So look at and tell me what is minus 3 to minus 2. 0 agata. Look at there and tell me here. Minus 3 to minus 1 signal is there. Minus 3 to minus 1 signal is there. Both are in opposite with the 0.5 and minus 0.5 amplitude. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is your 0.5, this is your minus 0.5. Okay na? So minus 3 to minus 2, look at here, this is there, both are having 0.5 and 0.5. So from minus 3 to minus 2, there is no signal. It means it is at 0 anta artha, cancel aitu. Next, minus 2 to minus 1 irappa. Minus 2 to minus 1 increasing, minus 2 to minus 1, what is happening here? Is it constant? Yeah, increasing.
Both
Where
are
do increase happen and drop?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the amplitude now?
1.
1 agata. So minus 2 to minus 1 till your amplitude 1, it is increasing. Next, minus 1 to 0, dip ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ constant ಇದೆ. So where it should go?
Till
This is dipping, this is constant, it means it should reach 0.
yes, sir.
Right or wrong? Correct, Endrappa. What, Jayant, is it fine here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next 0 to 1 check ಮಾಡ್ರೋ. 0 to 1 increasing, 0 to 1 constant. So this is 1 plus 0. It means 1 only. So it will go till 1 from 0 to 1. Next look at from 1 to 2. 1 to 2 dipping, 1 to 2 increasing. ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು?
It was cancelled, sir.
Cancel ಆಗತ್ತಾ?
Cancel, sir.
So cancel means it retains its position. Next 2 to 3. 2 to 3.
Constant.
Is it constant only?
Yes, sir.
So is it what the original signal we have traced?
Yes, sir.
Look at this and this. So this is your x of t, addition of even plus addition of odd. See, this is done for your verification. No need to show in the exam. For your simplicity, that what we have done is right or wrong. If you do addition of this two, will come to, that's it. That will tell you whether you're going to get 8 marks or not here itself. So this is for your reference. No need to show on the exam paper. You can write this in rough side, and if you're satisfied with what I did right, then you can go ahead with the next problem. Is it fine, guys? Everyone till here?
Yes, sir.
So I hope you got the logic of how to find odd and even components now for any given sketch. Shall I give one problem on discrete now? We did continuous, right? Shall I do on discrete now? And we'll end the class. Is it fine? Shall we proceed? So any doubts how to solve problem based on continuous time signal? So whatever questions they give, just stick on to the basics. Keep remembering the formula of odd and even, get the answer. Is it okay with you? Oh, okay. Go with the next problem. Last one. Right on. Find and sketch. Find and sketch the odd and even components. Find and sketch odd and even components for the following signal. So question number 3. So for the following question. So for the following signal, hold on. So now you should tell me what it is given. So it's e power minus n by 4. E power minus n divided by 4 into u of n. So what type of signal it is now? Discrete. So dt. See, that's why I told. See the question carefully. N is there, right? So n is there means it's understood. You have to go with respect to your discrete. Artha ಆಗ್ತೇನ್ರೋ?
Yes, sir.
If you have doubt, let me know. So I hope you got the question. So there is exponential signal with the product of unit step function. So do you remember unit step function just now we told at the beginning of the class? Everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
See, listen here. Whatever the u of function I represent like this. If you write like this, what is this indicates? This is for with respect to
Unit step.
with respect to what?
Unit step function.
Continuous time signal. See here, u of t is there, If it goes like this, it is contained signal. But what I want now, I want U of n. U of means what? It should be discrete. So this is the major thing you should be very, very careful. Look at here. It looks like this. Agree? Got the difference between both? If it is U of
Yes,
t,
sir.
you should take this contained signal. If it is U of n, you should go with discrete signal. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, this is one thing you should remember here. So you know that U of n nothing but amplitude 1. So for this signal, whatever you think, U of n my multiply 1 means it remains same only. So it means I need to worry only about this function. So how to find this? You know, this is depending on this. What's the condition I told you? U of n exists only for what? N greater than or equal to 0. अर्थ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? So here we wrote, right, n greater than equal to t greater than equal to 0. Same way, it is occurring from 0, it goes towards positive side, not towards negative side. It means what? You should take the value of n from here, yaar. From where you will take, Divya? N
Zero.
value?
0. 0.
0.
Good. So you should start with 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? So if you take n is equal to 0, it is like e power 0. What is e power 0 equals to?
1.
1.
1. So next, e power 1 by 4. 1 divided by 4 is check model. It is less than 1, I think, right? Take out in calculator. You have the values in calculator. So e to the power of minus 1 divided by 4. So it's e power minus 0.25. Is it less than 1? Esto? What is the value?
0.7.
0.778.
How much? Yeah?
788, sir.
0.77. Okay, fine. Next for 2. So you take some samples now. Because for discrete I want samples, right? So you will take some 4 to 5 samples. Yeah, at t is equals to 2. I mean n is equals to 2. It will be less than this 0.77 now. How much?
0.606, sir.
0.6 up. Okay, we'll take one more. So we'll go with 4 samples. Yeah. For 3. For 3. So it should be less than 0.66. How much?
0.47.
0.47. See, if you keep solving like this, you'll get n number of samples, right? Kata. So this is for your reference. See now what I did, in order to represent or sketch the x of even function for this exponential term, I have chosen my u of step function. So we know that what value of n we should put in this exponential, that purely depends upon this unit step function. So since we know unit step function occurs for greater than or equal to 0, I can substitute 0, 1, 2, 3, so on in this example to get a sample. So after that, how the waveform looks now? So what could be my x of n? So let me show you how x of n looks. So for interval 0, this is n, right? So 1, 2, 3, so on. You can take n number of values. For 0, you got the maximum amplitude 1. So you should write discrete like this. Saina? Okay? Is it clear? Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Next, for 1 you got, so this is 1, this is less than this. So let me take somewhere here. So don't worry about exact scale. You can write roughly, not an issue. So less than 1, 0.77. Next, less than this is 0.66. Then less than this is 0.7. Look at the waveform now. So likewise, it will be keep going for 4 also. So this is the original signal what I want now. Yes or no, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So I have got my x of n. So once you got this, from here onwards, same procedure. So you know the formula. You first find x of minus n. Nothing but this will come towards this side. Add this 2, that will give you even. Again, replica that, you'll get odd function. Will you finish off this yourself?
Yes, sir.
So I want you to solve this.
Yes,
If you have
sir.
doubt, next class let me solve for you. Is it clear, guys? Everyone?
Sir.
So any doubts how to get a discrete signal odd and even sketch? So only writing of waveform is important. If you write this, then remaining you can do easily. Am I clear till here?
Yes, sir.
Is it fine? Shall we end the session now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So next class when you come, try to recollect the things what has happened till today. Then we'll go ahead with